Danny mentioned the possibility of installing the composite decking, I knew that that was going to be excellent in our backyard specifically.
I was so relieved to be getting composite decking so that we'll have a deck that is long-lasting and low maintenance.
This system seems like it is going to last a lot longer. And the boards won't deform over time because they will stay put, and because those clips space everything out perfectly. It really gives me a lot of confidence in the longevity of the deck.
Imagine that it would take days to put down a deck and it took a couple of hours. You can really see just how pretty the composite wood is, and it looks like real wood or natural wood.
The deck looks so great, and the lights add the ambiance, and it's just going to be so much fun entertaining in that space.
I am really excited about eating dinner al fresco.
I can't wait to get my grill out and start cooking up the wings and having some buddies over and putting the TV in the corner and spending some real quality time.